Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type in your search bar network reset, network space reset, and hit enter or left click. Network reset. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You may need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Click on reset now and click on yes. If you receive this message, click on close. Close this windows and go to the start menu. Select the power off button and click on restart and wait a moment. Login in your PC. If you need to configure your network privacy, select yes or no. This step is optional. In this case, I select no. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.